Something else and I did like it was okay. We just had to